Hindi ko alam sino mananaig ang skincare ko ba o si Justin Bieber. Are we ready? This is it after 10 days. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! This is the day that the Lord has made. Whew! After 4 years of not releasing a song, bukod sa mga collab nila ng yung No-Brainer yata yung huli ko napakinggan, finally, isa to sa pinaka-hinipe ni Justin Bieber na song. After ng Coachella, naglabas siya doon, tapos sinabi doon magkaka-album siya! Oh my God! Finally, after ng heartbreak ng Purpose Tour, bumabalik ang puso ko at bumabalik ang aking pananalig na magkakaroon ng JB5. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. After yung nag-countdown siya ng 10, di ko alam kung 10 years, 10 months, 10 days, 10 minutes, ang kanyang bagong album. Pero yan, in-announce na meron siyang bagong song with Ed Sheeran. Nung nalaman kong live na yung music, kakatapos ko lang maligo, buti na lang, I got my purple towel and my purple robe because this is very Justin Bieber circa 2010. Nung kapanahunan niya ng mga Never Say Never, mga purple and white. Yes! So excited na ako dahil ito yata ang pinakamahabang 10 days ng buhay ko. Stream na natin ang I Don't Care ni Justin Bieber with Ed Sheeran. Sana available na siya sa Spotify. I Don't Care. Justin. Okay. Wait lang. Wait, hindi ko siya ma-search. Justin Bieber. Nasa... It's out! Ayan na, dai! Nasabi na. It's out, I don't care. Oh my God. Okay, let's do this. Tignan natin kung kaya ko mag-skincare kasi ito sana yung goal ko. Streaming while putting on my skincare. Hindi ko alam sino mananaig ang skincare ko ba o si Justin Bieber. Are we ready? This is it after 10 days.
I'm at a party I don't wanna be at, and I don't ever wear a suit and tie. Wondering if I can sneak up the back. Nobody's even looking me in my eye. Take my hand, finish my drink, say shall we dance? Hell yeah. You know I love you, did I ever do it? You make it better like
Very Shape of You.
Don't think I'm fitting at this party. Everyone's got so much to say. You can take me anywhere.
Hindi ako makakuha ng skincare ko, guys.
I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby.
Grabe, sinesearch ko na sa Genius.
You're making me feel like I'm loved by somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby.
Okay, ano na yung next kong gagawin? Serum. Ayan. With the bad nights when I'm with my baby. Wait lang. Dahil kulang ang 3 minutes para sa aking skincare routine. Kung may bago tayo itatry ngayon, itong Drunk Elephant na Virgin Marula. Nakita ko maganda siya, so let's try it. Hinahalo daw siya sa mga moisturizer. I can hear my baby's voice!
Everyone's got so much to say. Oh yeah. All the bad things disappear. You're making me feel maybe I am somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby.
Scream, I don't care! Everyone's got so much to say.
Oh yeah.
When they walked in, I said I'm sorry. But I think that we should stay. Cause I don't care when I'm with my baby. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby. Ang ganda ng bagong kanta!
I don't like nobody but you, baby. I don't care. I don't like nobody but you. I don't like nobody but you, baby. Yeah, 'cause I don't don't care when I'm with my baby, yeah. All the bad things disappear. You're making me feel like maybe I am somebody else. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah. Yes, I don't care as long as you just hold me near. I can deal with the bad nights
When I'm with my baby, yeah. Thank you, Justin Bieber! Yes! Super papasalamat ako. Wow! May papapasalamat! Salamat, Justin Bieber! Kumanta ka na uli! Legit naiyak ako. My gosh, sobrang na-miss ko yung music niya, guys. Like, guys! Simula high school pa lang ako, believer na ako, and nung talagang na-cancel ang Purpose Tour, I can't believe I'm crying! Nung na-cancel ang Purpose Tour, grabe talaga yung heartbreak na naramdaman ko dahil napakatagal kong inabangan, and sana naman, MMI, ibalik niya na si Justin Bieber! Nakakaloka, kaya sobrang saya ko, guys, nung lumabas siya sa Coachella and parang ino-own niya ulit yung stage kahit papano. Kahit maraming bashers. Can you not bash the married man? Super happy na nakapaglabas siya ng music na bago with Ed Sheeran. Isa rin siya super galing na artist and I enjoyed the music. Hindi siya hugot music and I feel like kailangan natin itong ganitong music na feel good, na mapapasayo ka, parang very shape of you ngayong dating nung bagong song for me. And I'm super happy na nakapaglabas siya ngayong summer! My God! Marami na naman tayong bibingin sa radyo. Justin Bieber is back! I hope JB5 will be out very soon. Sana wag naman end of the year. Pero basta, maglabas ka na ng album mo, please. Miss na kita, Lodi! Tapos na ako mag-skincare. Nakita nyo naman, glowing na ulit tayo. Hindi na tayo dull. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hello, believers! Yes! I'm a believer! And there's no cure for Bieber fever, guys. If you're a believer or you like Justin Bieber or Ed Sheeran, please thumbs up. So this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Follow me on Instagram at HelenOnFleek, on Facebook and Twitter at HelenOnFleek. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye! Bye! Clear Skin and new song by Justin Bieber.